Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aileen if you're new, and if you're not new, thanks for coming back. In today's video I have created this soft brown smoky eye and I paired it up with a nice glow. If you watch my videos, you know I like shining like a disco ball and I never ever stay away from my highlighter. The more the better, so if you want to know how I created this look, keep on watching. I'm going to start with my foundation and I'm using my trusty Born This Way and my shade is Warm Beige. And of course I'm going to sing my way through this tutorial. Why not? I always sing everywhere, every hour of the day. So I'm just applying my foundation with the Real Techniques complexion sponge, and this is one of my favorites to use. For concealer today I'm using the Healthy Mix by Boujois, and I'm just applying it in a triangular form under my eyes. I'm using it on the bridge of the nose, the forehead, and also on my chin. I was just gonna speak Spanish just then. So I'm just blending that out. This concealer is quite nice. It's nice and blendable, and it's also buildable, so it's nice to cover any imperfections. I think my shade is light. I'm not 100% sure, but I'll leave it down in the description box for you guys. To seal that concealer, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier powder, and this is one of my favorites because it really makes your concealer or foundation last really long and it doesn't make it crease or transfer, so it's really nice. For my eyebrows today I'm going to be using the Tame Frame Pomade by NYX, and this one's very similar to the Anastasia one. The only difference that I find is that the Anastasia pomade is quite creamy and this one tends to dry out a little bit, but the only thing you need to do is just add some Fix Plus and you're good to go, sister. So you don't need to spend that much money because this one actually works the same. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Morphe Brushes palette. This one's the one that they did in collaboration with Jaclyn Hill, and I'm just applying a basic brown color on the lid. And this color we're going to blend with this next orangey shade, which is more of a transition shade. And I love these colors because they look amazing with any type of look. Any warm look will look really nice with an orange color. And I'm really blending that out, trying to smoke out and blending it outwards, so that makes my eyes look bigger and it sort of like elongates your eyes and makes them look a bit more almondy shaped. And then I'm just applying a deeper orange, like sort of like a more intense orange, and this is just to go on top of that transition shade to intensify the look a bit more. And I'm just doing the same on the bottom lashes. For my bottom lashes today, I'm going to be using this mascara by Maybelline, and I love this one. This one's my favorite. If you watch my past videos, I always use it for my bottom lashes, and it's because the wand is nice and easy to use. It's quite small. It's a plastic wand. It doesn't have those fibers that I feel like get all the product and then you end up with clumpy eyelashes. So I really like that because it divides them and it makes them look nice and thin. For my glow today, I'm going to be using the Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I am going to be applying some of that in the inner corners of my eyes. And I love this step, guys, because it makes your eyes pop out, opens them up. Even if you're tired, you look more awake, and I just feel like it brings the whole look together. I always highlight the inner corner, and I'm also highlighting the brow bone. For my contour today, I'm using the Hourglass Ambient Light in light medium. And this is just to warm up my face. I love this shade because it's, as I said before, quite warm, so it doesn't make my face look ashy or anything. I just look like I've been sun-kissed, and I really love this look. For my highlighter, I'm going to be using the same one I used on my inner corner, and I'm going to be applying some Fix Plus on it to make it more intense and to make it look like my skin. And I just love the glow, guys. It makes your skin look so healthy, so natural. It's not a powdery look, and I can't live without my glow, so I really recommend this one. For my lips today, I'm going to be using this matte lipstick by Rimmel, and it's one of my favorites because it's quite a like a brownish color, but it's got a tint of red, so it makes the eye look stand out, and it works really well with my skin color. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for all of your support, and if you recreate this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram or Facebook. I'll leave all the details down below, and I'll see you on my next video. Mwah. Bye.